Welcome to Stumpy's Bali Travels. We're just moving down Garlc Lane, a small walking tour today. I love this place. We're coming to a cafe at the moment called the Garlc Lane Cafe.
Morning, how are you?
She makes the best butterscotch chocolate pancakes in the world.
You still do the pancakes?
I'm telling you now, they're only about $7. She makes them from scratch, and you cannot get any better. You cannot get any better. I love them. As we walk down Garlc Lane, you're going to see, you know, your trinket shops, sunglasses, all that type of thing, suitcases, t-shirts.
I got everything.
All that. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning, so it's pretty quiet at the moment. A lot of places will be closed, but I love walking around at this time because it's just an easy time, and it's just starting off the day. The place here is just getting ready for breakfast. Down the laneway here, there's a nice spa. Okay. You get an early morning spa. It probably opens around 9, 10 o'clock. It's not far from opening. They'll be open to about 10 o'clock at night.
Oh no,
it's already done. Garlc Lane Daddy Daycare. The wives go shopping in the strip when all the shops are open, and the husbands stay there and have a cold beer. Pretty much it's set up for them. And the wives will know, or the girlfriends will know, that's where they're going to find their offsider. Gentleman in an orange shirt just in front of us is squeaking him up, but if you go down that laneway just there in front of Billy's 69, they make the best spring rolls in the world. Get 2 serves, have one for me, because they're not expensive, they're really cheap, and they are the best spring rolls you've ever had in your life. Legian's bar across the road, and that's, you know, not open at this time. It's a breakfast bar just here. We're just walking slowly down because I've got a bad leg. And we've got, of course, someone who's opened up to sell sarongs, t-shirts and all that now, bags, suitcases. Trying to get the early morning sale, because an early morning sale means good luck for them. Another place here for breakfast, pretty good. You can't go wrong along here, though. Nobody makes a bad meal. I'm telling you now, I've always had good meals. That scaffolding we just went past, the bamboo scaffolding, is another restaurant, I think. Probably a small hotel, but I think it's a restaurant being built. Another place where, you know, it's little trinkets, baby's clothes, suitcases, you name it. This is the Happy Cafe. Great little place. They've got a place down on the beach as well, and there's some villas at the back. If you want to stay around this area, it's a perfect place. Further down, we're going to come to another hotel, and it's a cheaper place, very, very comfortable, very nice, clean bathroom, clean bedrooms, all you need. You're right in the middle of everything. It's like $50 a day. I think it's called the Garden View, and that's not expensive at all. And there are other hotels and homestay you can get $20 a day, just depending on your budget. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars per day. You don't have to spend that at all. If you can see it right now, I have my big red cat trying to lick the microphone. As we go down, we'll get towards the end of Garlc Lane, and we're going to go into a place called JL Padma. And we'll walk down there off to the left, and you'll come to a place called the Poser Hotel. That's a nice hotel as well. It's a pub. And I'll get the sheet and show you that in a second. Of course, more trinkets. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't, it doesn't matter. Not worried about that. I just do this for fun. We're on JL Padma now. Across the road, they're open to lunch. It's an institution in Bali. Get your 7-Eleven type stores, you know, your K stores and all that here, and they're not expensive. You get all the stuff that you need. You don't really need to go to the supermarkets unless you're going to do a big shop.
That's okay, that's all right.
Continue walking down this street, and as you get to the end of it, it's probably about a 7-minute walk, you'll be at the beach. That's that. You're right in the middle of everything in that street edge there. You're a slow walker? 10. This is the Pazer pub. It burnt down a couple of years back. They rebuilt it very quickly. And that gentleman's always up there cleaning. That's a great little swing spot in the evening for a meal. Just turned on the JL Padma Matara, which will go all the way down to Legian. A place called Romeos. This is where we'll end the video, but I'm telling you now, Romeos is nice too. As I said, there's not a place in Bali that I don't dislike. Another breakfast bar. Going up to the tattoo parlour. I go to a place called Agus Art Studio in Menasari. It's the only one I recommend. It's the only one I've ever been to. I had 4 tattoos done there, and they're very, very good. Not the cheapest, but you don't want cheap. You want good. It's still far cheaper than Australia. Getting all this stock ready. Coming up past the Y Bar, which is open for breakfast, but it's very, very quiet usually this time in the mornings, but in the evenings, oh boy, she's swinging. There you can get your slushies with or without alcohol. There's that Garden View Hotel.
No, thanks, brother.
Everybody on this street always tries to get me to take a car or a bike, and I just walk. I don't like the vehicles. You miss too much. There's an Aussie bakehouse here. You get a nice pie. You get a really nice place to get a pie is in front of Big Tank Supermarket. There's a caravan there, a little van. They have great pies. Not cheap, but very good. Berry shop here is always selling the handbags for the ladies. Of course, original knockoffs.
Hi.
Good morning, boss.
As we walk down, hotel to the left, right there, but I just can't remember the name of it. That's the Three Brothers. This place got a very good reputation for lunch. Not a lot of parking spots for cars, but at least there's a little bit of space here. Two-way car, two-way bike. A lot of places are two-way bike, one-way car. Just had to stop for a minute because the knee's killing me. But, you know, that's my problem. I love Bali too much. I put that forward. I had to go on a holiday before I had my knee operated on. I didn't want to miss Bali. It means too much to me after 30 years. Those little pauses give you pain space. We make our way further down to the bend here. There's going to be a leather shop. A bit of building works going on here. There's actually a lot of building works going right through Bali, Feminiac, Legian at the moment. Where there's silver fences, that used to be Romeo, I think. So the Ibis Hotel. They're pulling it apart and rebuilding it. You can see just in here. And
Oh, well, the Ibis Hotel.
it won't take them that long. They really get stuck into it. So I hope to see what that one's going to be. That leather shop is just down the corner here, right across. You can shoot off to the right, to the left, sorry. Mexican restaurant on the corner here. Great tacos. A different flavour type of taco, but really, really nice. And of course they have the special for the 2-for-1 margaritas. You see the money changes. I wouldn't go to them. I would only go to one with air conditioning and cameras. I hear too much problems across Bali with money changes. That's why always go to the legitimate ones. You might think, oh, I can get a better rate, but in the end, you will lose.
Morning. After you.
Hi.
Morning, brother.
When they say good morning, they're actually trying to see if you'll want to hire some transportation. Well, we make our way down and we're just getting there. And laundry on the corner here, but I would actually go further
No, thanks,
down
brother.
up the side laneway. There's a laundry in the laneways, most of them, and you can get a much better rate per kilo. You can get it done same day, next day. The more time you give them, the cheaper it is. The building on our right hand side there, we'll be jumping at lunchtime. They have a great brunch. There's a lot of pillow slip cases for you to take home for your home, and goods for your house. Wouldn't recommend getting the stuffing, it'll just take up too much room. Nice little temple.
I don't take any ice cream, mental.
Woody Raja across the road. Another hotel in the middle. Another mini mart. As I said, you can just get all the goods that you need. You really don't need to go to a big tank supermarket unless you're really having a big shop. They're getting their early morning snacks off one of the bike riders. Don't be afraid to try them either. I've never got Bali Belly from one of these bike traders. They don't want to upset anybody. Word would get around. Corner Hotel, we've been there. That's an institution in Legian. There's 7 Hotel on the right. That's been there for a while now. Campari Hotel in front of us in blue. Used to be, I can't remember the name what it was before, but that's now become the Campari Hotel, and it's all blue and white inside. North Melbourne supporters would like that. And as we make our way down the end of Garlc Atara, on the left-hand side there, you can have a place called Mug Shop, which makes a great coffee, chocolate croissant. RDV across the road does a karaoke, and there's more coffee shops along there as well. And they've really got better at coffee. I'm going to end this video in a second, which ended up at Romeos now. As I said, I just do this for fun. I just want everybody to enjoy Bali as much as I do. Catch us all later. Catch you now. Bye.